Hi everyone, Kamal here, and I welcome you all to the hands-on coverage of Windows 10 for phones second preview build. The second preview build of Windows 10 for phones is known as Build 10051, and this build brings OS version 10.0.12534.56. Uh, Now, coming to what is new in this build, there are several important changes that this build brings. Uh, Obviously, one of them is Project Spartan. Then you have new Outlook Mail and Outlook Calendar. Then the phone and the messaging, they have a new look, etc. So, but we will start with some of the very most visible changes here. So, one of the most striking or clear changes in multitasking. So multitasking is richer and it has a new look, so you can see the new look of multitasking here. The cards have now have a different look altogether. One more important change in multitasking is that now the landscape multitasking is enabled. When I talk about landscape multitasking, which means that you open an app like camera and you can just enter in the multitasking. I'll see the landscape multitasking here. So I'll say that it's a very preliminary kind of implementation. Maybe this can be extended to landscape multitasking in most of the cases, or whenever you actually want to do that. So this is what. Okay. Okay, now coming to some of the less covered changes. So if we go to settings, we talked about this before. We'll see. So so this is something called reset protection. So this is anti-theft mechanism, and it we have talked about this. So it's coming with GDR2 to some devices, it seems, and now it's here with the Windows 10. So basically, if you turn on the reset protection and you have signed in with your Microsoft account, so nobody else can reset your device and reuse it unless he knows your Microsoft account credentials. So this is one of the very important change. One more change is about that we can see in case of battery saver. So now the battery saver threshold can be changed. So here you can see that you can actually change the battery saver threshold to a bigger value or a smaller value. As we told, the messaging has a different look, and we will try to show you some of the options which are there in keyboard actually. So like if you see, so there is a very good option of changing the text cursor controller. So left-handed, right-handed, and off. So if I put it as a left-handed, and when I go, we will see that the cursor controller has moved to this side, so it will be easier for a left-hander. Again, you can go to settings and go to advanced, and you can actually set it as a right-handed. So when I go back, I see that this cursor has moved to here. Yeah, so this is one of the less covered changes. So we have to give a point here to Microsoft for making it easier. And here there are more options like show the text to speech button, or showing like the language switching button with multiple language that can be shown or not. So that now the keyboard has got more options for you. so that I mean reset protection, then this keyboard options. These are less covered changes, so and this multitasking, so we thought of covering those in this video. Stay tuned and we'll bring more of the changes which are like already stated in official changelog, but we obviously like to demo them for you. Thanks for watching.